G'day. This is the 5 Surprise Mini Brands Series 3 Collector's Case. I believe it's just got to be shopping brands. Let's crack it open. Free from the plastic. Let's check out this checklist later, but let's see what we got. Alright, this one looks like a Pez happy face. Does it work? No. Alright, it's non-functional. It looks like it's got a zit or some mole. There's that one. Let's go to the next one. This one is drumstick, what? Swizzles drumstick of 3 flavors. I've never actually seen this in store. I don't know what this treat is. Oh, that's number 2. Let's see what we got next. Grape nuts from Post cereal. This looks like, this is not the kind of box I would get in the cereal aisle. It doesn't have that kind of flap. It's usually glued across the top. Alright. Let's see what else we have. We have Honey Maid chocolate graham crackers. Alright. There's that. And we're down to the last one. Which, remember, this has 5 inside. Not like if you were thinking it was a full case. But let's see my niece take it out. After a little bit of a struggle, looks like we have Mentos gum. Bubble Fresh cotton candy flavor. Can't pop this open, can I? No. Pretty sure I got ripped off because that's a clear base and I can see there's nothing in here. Oh. And this, apparently, is the checklist. I'm not seeing any numbers. Alright, we get 5 out of this from the 30 listed, so that's 1/6. So in review, yeah, Mentos gum, whatever drumstick is, Pez, Honey Maid graham crackers, and grape nut cereal. Let's put them back in the box. Given the branding of this, it says it's a collector's case. Which means, I believe, you would lay it on your mantle like this to display. It seems rather unfinished. Let's see how it looks when you actually put them back in the box. Where does it go? I should have looked at it beforehand. Grape nuts, Honey Maid, Mentos gum. Well, it looks like it fits that one. Drumstick goes, yeah, there. And from another set I have Baby Bell Wheel of Cheese, which could go, is it this? Oh, that's a little too deep. I think here. I think this works. Now imagine this was full up with the rest of the 30 you get from this selection being Series 3. This, from what they're calling it, looks good enough to display. So this is rather underwhelming. I, for some reason, thought it was going to have some kind of better display, but it looks like it's all blistering. I don't think I would actually buy this again. There's like a lot of plastic hollowness. If I was actually just going to showcase the rest of my stuff, I would probably buy them individually to fill out the spots. This would be another regretful purchase. So while I understand the concept of the collector's case, in terms of unboxing, there's nothing to do here. It's already open. So you open the clamshell and there it is. So there's no surprise. I guess you gotta, well, at least there isn't a whole bunch of plastic. So this is what you resorted to after you spend all the money chasing down these in the other balls, and you just want to look at them in the case. See you next time on Clarissa Explains It All.